The sky tears open its white veil. The wind writes signs no book can tell. Snowflakes dance, both fierce and wild. The world grows hushed, in grey beguiled. The path dissolves in whirling snow. No sound remains I used to know. Time stands still in frozen air, as if the storm were winter's prayer. Begins to stir, for even storms of ice and night can shape new dreams from snow and light. so cold, so pure.